Hi, everybody. It's National Small Business Week, and I'm Mike Fiffick, the managing partner here at Fiffick Law Group, the proud Legal Shield provider law firm in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Well, National Small Business Week is a time to honor and celebrate America's entrepreneurs and innovative startups. There are over 32 million small businesses in the United States today, and they account for 99.9% of all businesses in our country. So there are a lot of people out there that this week is celebrating and really should be tuning in for. So this year's theme is Building a Better America Through Entrepreneurship, and it celebrates the resiliency and the tenacity of America's entrepreneurs who are doing their part to power our nation's historic comeback from the COVID-19 pandemic. And it definitely was a tough time for businesses with so many shutting down, but then they also were very innovative because they had to pivot and change how they were doing business. And it has really changed business forever, and especially small businesses. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit about what small business owners want, especially as it relates to a lawyer, because a lot of small business owners don't really know what they want when it comes to legal services or a lawyer. When you ask a small business owner what a lawyer does, they typically are going to say that they are involved in lawsuits, right? And they're right. There are some lawyers that do that kind of a thing, but that's not the only thing that lawyers can do for businesses. And I would invite you to think about lawyers as it relates to business in two different categories, right? There are two categories of lawyers out there. There are fighters and there are builders. When a lot of business owners think that a lawyer only goes to court, or that they only need a lawyer whenever they get involved in a lawsuit of some kind, or when they're getting sued. But really, you're kind of missing the point, because many business owners operate based upon a reactive strategy rather than a proactive strategy. They don't think about business lawyers as being builders and don't understand the value of what a builder lawyer really brings to their business. A builder lawyer, instead of a fighter lawyer, it can be a strategic partner for a business. They can help businesses avoid costly disputes and can help business owners seize opportunities. That's very unlike a fighter lawyer. A fighter lawyer, whenever you have to get a fighter lawyer involved in your business, it usually means that something is going wrong because you're involved in a lawsuit of some kind. Either you're suing somebody or you're being sued by somebody. It usually means that they're going to be going to court for you. And going to court is extremely expensive. And that money that is spent on litigation and your fighter lawyer is money that you can't use to build your business better. Builder lawyers, on the other hand, are less glamorous. That's just the reality of things. They work behind the scenes with businesses. They help businesses function well. They can serve as coaches for business owners, and they keep businesses out of the courtroom and out of trouble. They help business owners advise you on how to use the law to grow your business. And when a builder lawyer is used correctly, the business makes money by hiring them. Those lawyers can help business owners spot opportunities, avoid bad deals, and just generally get the most for their money out of business. So let me give you a health analogy to help you understand what I'm talking about on how business owners understand the use of legal services and when they need a lawyer, and how troubling it can be for their business and what they're really missing, tremendous opportunity. So if a business owner approach their medical issues the way they approach legal issues for business, typically, right? The business owner would avoid regular checkups. They would get all their medical information on the internet, like off of WebMD or even in worse resources. They would ignore unusual pains or symptoms that they are experiencing. They might even try to set their own broken bones or heal their own wounds. And so if this is how you were approaching your healthcare, all of your healthcare would occur only in the emergency room or on the operating table. And so it really costs you a lot of money to approach your medical situations that way. And it costs you a lot of money, and you miss a lot of opportunities when you're approaching your legal problems that way. So waiting until a legal issue turns into a legal problem or a legal dispute is like waiting for a mild physical symptom to turn into something that requires an operation. Imagine also, but should make it even worse, that your medical insurance doesn't cover the operation, and the doctor won't operate unless you pay a good portion of their bill upfront and in advance. That approach is very expensive, very disruptive, and potentially deadly to your business. This is how many small businesses approach legal issues. They avoid working with an attorney until they need a fighter lawyer and their correspondingly expensive bills. And this is like, again, solving your problems, all of your medical problems, only in the operating room. It's crazy, right? Nobody would think that. Everybody could agree that proactive medical care is the best for you. It keeps you healthy, it keeps you moving, and you avoid costly problems or delays. The same thing holds true for your business. Don't ignore your legal problems. Get the help up front. It'll decrease the chance of needing a litigator, right? It will keep you investing both your time and your money in your business. Using a builder lawyer ensures that all components of your business are going to be working well. Whenever you have regular access to a builder type lawyer rather than a fighter lawyer. And it puts your business in a position to maximize its opportunities out there to take advantage of whatever's going on in the marketplace. So, if legal expense were not an issue, or if you're looking for some ideas on how you could use a builder lawyer for your business, here's some things that you should be talking to a lawyer partner who can be a strategic partner in your business. You would have your lawyer look at the organizational documents for your business, whether you have a corporation or an LLC or a partnership. Clean those up. You need those oftentimes in some type of a business transaction, especially if you're going to be getting a loan, a commercial loan of some kind, opening a bank account, or buying or selling real estate, or even leasing real estate. Your organizational documents will be something that you'll have to produce in order to get that transaction done. Not having them organized could be a costly delay. Maybe the interest rate will go up while you're waiting to get all of those records together. You can have your lawyer work on your tax and your business structure as well. You can reduce taxes on your business and your family by selecting not only the right tax status for your business, but also structuring your business to reduce costly taxes to your business. You can bring additional owners into your business as well without giving up control. So these are some things that you can talk to a lawyer about. And most business owners are involved in mitigating risk, right? They don't want their personal assets to be at risk for their business liabilities. And so a builder lawyer is a very good partner to help you mitigate your business risks impacting your personal assets. There are lots of do's and don'ts and structural changes that can be made to your business that a builder lawyer can help you with to avoid those types of issues. Employee issues are something that are more and more common these days. You might have employment issues relating to hiring, complying with wage and hour regulations, which are very complex, and most business owners don't understand them very well. You can avoid personal liability and get somebody to help you with these things. You don't want to get yourself into a situation where you've made some type of mistake, or you don't understand the law or how to help a situation. Many employment-related matters are going to result in some type of governmental administrative proceeding or investigation or audit. And all of those things are going to be very costly and time-consuming for your business. It is better for you to have access to a builder lawyer who you can talk to in advance of these issues coming up or while they are happening, so that you can make better informed decisions on how to handle them and reduce the chances of having some type of governmental involvement in your business. All businesses have contracts. Examples include leases, consumer type contracts, compliance with unfair trade practice laws, vendor agreements, personal liability issues abound in all of these agreements. Many small business owners are asked to sign a personal guarantee from time to time. Your builder lawyer is the best person to help you understand these contracts, make sure that there are no provisions that can be damaging to you or hidden traps for you, and help you also limit your personal liability for your business expenses. And then finally, a builder lawyer is there to help you with compliance. It will protect your exclusive ownership of your name, of your business logo, your digital assets for your businesses, your licenses, and update your records with the state. So those are just some very simple examples of why you should really be thinking about having an attorney part of your business team. And don't wait until legal problems arise. Take care of them proactively. It will be better for you. It'll be better for your business, be much less costly for your business, and you can use all of that capital to invest in building and growing your business. So thanks again for listening in. Please tune in every morning this week during National Small Business Week. I'll have a message for you every week about a different business issue. So thank you.